Good morning. Man, what a great feeling. Last night there was some commotion where I parked. I didn't really feel like dealing with it, so a little after midnight I checked the tide clocks, came out, drove down the beach, drove through the creek, and came out onto the sand dunes far enough away where I was going to be lost for the night. Nobody was going to bother me. I was going to get some good sleep. And in the morning, I can see where the ocean is. I can see a camper over there. I can find my way back, but I was definitely lost for the night, which is fine. That's exactly what I wanted. So if you ever come out on the sand dunes at nighttime, just know you're probably getting lost if you don't know your way around. So this is today's morning view. We're almost past all this cloudy stuff. It's crazy. The clouds have been here unseasonably long. It's been unseasonably cold for an unseasonably long time, but we're right at the edge of June, and I don't care how bad this weather wants to stay and keep me from having fun out at the beach. It can't last forever. So dang it, I'm gonna be out there with my shirt off in the sun real soon. You'll get yourself in real trouble if you don't know what you're doing out here, especially at nighttime, because your lights have a shadow as soon as they get over a hill, so you don't know if it's just a little rolling hill or a big drop off. You have no idea. Oh, this is even better than I could have imagined when I dreamt up this crazy idea. Oh, I'm so glad I took the risk. I'm so glad I dealt with the discomfort. Man, comfort's a killer, literally. Comfort will keep you from achieving everything you're capable of if you get set on it. Yeah, I was really pretty close to camp here. This was perfect. I don't think there's going to be much problem with me doing that. You know, the tide's the main thing, and now I understand the tides, the tide clock, and when I can get in and out of here. Man, the state of California is going to get a lot of different fees from me this summer. I bet this camp's going to be crazy this weekend. Hopefully we have the time to come check it out before or after work.